Hello friends, today's question. A police car moving at 22 meters per second chases a motorcyclist. The policeman sounds its horn at 176 Hz, while both of them move towards a stationary siren of frequency 165 Hz. Calculate the speed of motorcycle if it is given that motorcyclist does not observe any beats. Speed of the sound is 330 meters per second. So this is a basic figure. We have a police car and motorcycle, and both are moving in same direction towards a stationary siren. Okay. So in this case, we are going to use Doppler equation, and keeping in mind that it says that there is no beats observed by the observer, that is by the motorcyclist. Okay. So which basically means that the motorcyclist is going to perceive that police car siren as well as stationary siren are same. Motorcyclist basically will not be able to differentiate between police car siren as well as the stationary siren. That's the meaning, that it does not observe any beats. So we say that Doppler equation, and we say that f prime will equal to f v plus v naught and v minus vs, where f prime is our observed frequency, f is our source frequency, v is the velocity of the sound, v naught is the velocity of observer, and we keep in mind that the sign will be positive when it is if moving towards the source. If moving towards the source, and Vc is the velocity of the source. Sorry, Vs is the velocity of the source. Velocity of source, and this is also taken as positive when moving towards the observer. Positive when moving towards the observer. And for beats, we can say that for no beats, are heard by the motorcyclist, which means that frequency of the sound perceived by the motorcyclist. Perceived by motorcyclist from the police car horn and stationary siren, from police car horn and stationary siren are same. Okay, so please keep in mind that it is perceived by the motorcyclist. Okay, important term is perceived by the motorcyclist, and they are same. Okay. So let us divide this question into two parts now. One will be the association of police car with the motorcyclist, and another one will be motorcyclist and the stationary siren. So we say frequency from the police car. Frequency from the police car. So here the police car will be our source. Motorcyclist will be the observer. Is our observer. We can say frequency of the police car with respect to observer, that is a motorcyclist, will be equal to frequency for the police car, and this will be V minus motorcyclist and V minus police car. Okay. And next is our frequency from the siren. And here siren is our source. And which is basically stationary. Siren is source and is stationary. Therefore Vs will be equal to 0, and motorcyclist will be our observer. So we can write same equation in the format that frequency of the siren with respect to motorcyclist M will be equal to frequency of siren V plus Vm and divided by V. Here Vp, that is our source, is equal to 0. In this case the source is equal to 0. And from no bits condition, you can say from no bits condition, FPM will be equal to FSM. So we equate respectively by putting this equation. So we get our FP V minus Vm divided by V minus Vp will be equal to our Fs V plus Vm divided by V. And in the question, or rather we can say in the figure, the motorcycle speed is given as V. Okay. So we replace Vm by V. So let us substitute the value. Fp was given as 176. Velocity of the sound is 330 minus, and we have this as velocity of motorcyclist is given as V, and this comes as 330 minus Vp, and Fs is given as 165. Velocity is given as sound plus V divided by V is our 330. Now it's a simple calculation. So from here we get this as 176 multiplied by 330 divided by 165 multiplied by this comes as 308 will be equal to 330 plus V divided by 330 minus V. So if you solve this, we can get that V is approximately equal to 22 meter per second. And let me write it here. Vm is equal to V. Okay. Vm is equal to V. So we get the velocity of the motorcyclist is 22 meter per second. This is the velocity of motorcyclist. And the answers that are given to us from here, we can say the option number B is the correct option. Option B is correct. So in this question particularly, we have to take care of two things. First is that the direction in which the observer is moving. With respect to police car, it is moving away from the source of the sound, or we can say police car siren. And for the second case, the stationary siren, and it is moving towards the stationary siren. So we have to take care of the sign in this particular case. And this completes the question. Thank you.